Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to school. I know it's super weird to come back here because of what's going on around the world right now. I don't want to be here. You guys don't want to be here. But I'm here just for your sake because I want you all to have a bright and beautiful future. So no bullying about this whole what's going on around here. Just let this be a fun class and we're going to have a great semester this time. I promise you this. Alright everyone, let's start off with names. My name is Teacher, and when I point at you, I want you to say your name. Is your name a Chew?
Wakanda forever?
Rest in peace. Rest in peace. No, but seriously, get out.
Get out!